Get my name and money. Hey, don't I look like honeys? I walk into your spot, smell like a fresh like open onion. Hey, rolling up a stendo. Now we man keep that quiche out. Well, this right here's a dolo block, cause I don't do no features. Hey, I be on my own shit. Like, let me cut the toilet. Hey, yo, bitch be on my dick, cause she say that you boring. And she like the way we roll. And trust the Montego. Hey, bitch, you know I'm plugged in. I keep bail for my amigo. Hey, shout my nigga Cola, man, and free my nigga Pizzo. They say nigga that young, man, well, this right here's the sequel. And with my chopper shotgun in my lap, that does it.
YouTube, what's happening, what it is, and what it do, man? Welcome back to the channel. Of course, this is your boy B Mitch, aka Sneakerhead Money Mitch, and I had the pleasure of bringing you another episode of Money Mitch TV. You feel? If you're new to the channel, first time watching, never subscribe, never hit the notification bell, none of that. Make sure you do become a member of the Money Gang, and let's get it, man. Today, what we looking at, yes, Sirski. For y'all that follow me on IG, which I'll link down below, y'all did notice I did get the early access on the Nike Sneakers app. I was blessed to get a pair, but I also hit on Hibbett Sports. So this is actually the Hibbett Sports pair. I ain't even opened the Nike box one yet. But by the box, you already know the vibes. You know these vibes, what we looking at. I like this box, man. But that's not what y'all here for. So today, fresh about the BizOps, what we are looking at today is none other than, yes, the Jordan Retro 6 UNC white UNCs. You feel me? Because they did come out with a black pair, you know what I'm saying? Well, these are nice. Do you understand me? These are gas, man. I am very happy I got this pair. Very happy I was able to pick them up. Real quick, you got your mold sticker right there in the corner of the box. Your regular paper. Of course, my receipt. And you also have a lot number in that top corner of the box. You feel me? And for all my spec geeks, y'all a good look at that. You feel me? I like the box, man. Appreciate you joining for the box. But that ain't what y'all here for today. Y'all are here for the Jordan 6 white UNC pair. Again, I said white UNC because they do have a black and Carolina blue pair of UNC 6s. This is actually the second version of it, the white pair. But that's no me talking. I'm gonna let y'all check them out and I'll be right back. You feel? All right, yes, sir, ski. Now that y'all got a chance to look at these things and form your opinion, down below, let me know what's your first initial thoughts. What are you thinking? Are you feeling the vibes on these? Let me know down below something, you feel me? And we're gonna jump straight into it. So, me, I like them. Basically, a baby blue pair of Carmines, in my opinion, with a few differences. Actually, on the Carmine, they come with a white accent to the tongue. This one actually has a black accent. And of course, we're gonna start off at my favorite part, the tongue. So we got a translucent tongue, reminiscent of the French Blue 7s, especially when you flip it and you look on the inside, it definitely gives you those vibes. Then we have a navy blue lace lock, which I had to pay attention to. I thought it was black at first, so I looked at it. Navy blue lace lock on these guys, baby blue accent, Jumpman also in a navy blue on these guys. Then moving down, we have a black underlay on the tongue, white flat laces on these guys, and then that entire upper is dripped in that Carolina blue nubuck and hints of tumble on that suede. I mean on that leather on these guys. So me looking at these shoes, man, medial panel is also the same. Black accents on the midsole. We got that Ice Trader Gang, translucent, clear, icy bottom outsole on these guys, man. These are gas in my opinion, man. And lastly, checking out that back end, we have quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. You have seen these on a lot of the collegiate Jordan collections, Oregon 5s. I mean, you know the vibes. It's a bunch of them, man. But, you know what I mean? I just wanted to give y'all my opinion on these shoes. So, taking a look at the leather, man, I actually, in my opinion, I feel like this leather is better than the Carmine 6s. It does have hints of tumble on it, especially on this particular left pair. If you look on that outside panel, it does have that tumble leather on it. It's not throughout the shoe, because like I said, if you look on that medial panel, it's more flat, like your Carmine 6s, but they do have hints of tumble on these guys, man. Of course, we got that 3M, which reflects under that baby blue on these guys, but I like these, man. I like these gas, in my opinion, man. I can't wait to rock these. Black insole, black liner, black white insole, which is very reminiscent of the 7, like I said, on these guys. So let me know what y'all think. Y'all rocking with these? Y'all like these? Y'all going after them? Y'all gonna pay resale? Let me know something down below, man. I think these are gas. Do I think these are better than the Carmines? No. I'm one of the YouTubers that like OG over hype a lot of the time. Don't get me wrong, this Carolina blue, like I told you, any Carolina blue colorway that I can get my hands on, I normally do. But it's something about those Carmine, those OGs, man. It's something about them. I just, you know. But that's my opinion. You guys form your own opinion. Let me know what you think, what you thought. Do you like these better than the Carmine? Are you going after them? Did you get them? Are you willing to pay resale? Let me know something down below. But that's enough of me talking, man. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. And it ain't nothing else for me to do. We'll hit you with the on feeds. So, is you ready for the on feeds? Well, let's get it then. All right, yes, sir. Ski. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, checking out that on feeds, forming your opinion on the white pair of the UNC 6. You feel me? I gotta keep saying the white pair because it is a black pair. You feel me? But I appreciate y'all rocking with me, forming your opinion, man. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, join that money game, man. And like I tell you at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all like what you rock and rock what you like. It's your boy B Mitch, aka Sneakerhead Money Mitch, streaming, cha-ching, gang gang. I'm out.
Say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down